How to scan QR code on an Instagram. Wanna learn how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to our channel. So without any delay, let's get into the video. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Make sure to get logged in. Now tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. As you do this, tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Okay, you have got an option of QR code below archive. Tap on it. As you do this, this is a particular on QR code that you can share. But if you want to scan it, or if you want to scan the QR code of others, all you have to do is tap on this scan icon on the top right corner. And then as you get into this, you will see you can scan one of the QR code. And yes, you're up for following her. Tap on follow and get started. So this is how you do it. This is how you scan QR code on an Instagram. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and I hope